Hello everyone, today I am talking about learning styles. Researchers believe there are three basic types of classroom learning styles. Number one, visual learning. Number two, auditory learning. Number three, kinesthetic learning. Researcher opinion learning styles describe the most common way that people learn. We describe three methods. Number one, visual learning. Visual learners prefer to sit somewhere in the classroom or schoolroom where no obstructions hinder the view of classroom. Students rely on the teacher's facial expression and body language to aid their learnings. Students learn best from a combination of visual displays and presentations, such as colorful videos and diagrams. Generally, these learners think is pictures. Number two, auditory learning. Auditory learners sit where they can hear well. They enjoy listening and talking, so discussions and verbal lectures stimulate them listening to what others have to say and then talking. The subject could help them process new information. These lectures may be heard reading to themselves out loud because they can absorb writing information better in this way. Number three, kinesthetic learning. Kinesthetic learners may find it difficult to sit still in a conventional classroom. They need to be physically active and take frequent breaks. They prefer to sit someplace where there is room to move about. They benefit from manipulating materials and learn best when classroom subjects such as math. Sometimes sport in the lesson help kinesthetic learners process new informations. In addition, confidence is an important element in the learning process. In order to learn, students need to believe that they can learn. When students are given opportunities for success encouragement from their teachers, they can develop a strong feeling of confidence. They can develop a strong feeling of confidence. When students have opportunities to complete tasks successfully, this shows them that they really can learn. For example, if you give a small child a book with lots of pages crowded with words, naturally child will feel it impossible to ever learn to read. Encouragement is also important. For example, the teacher can show the child how to break a difficult task into small parts and praise the child's smiles. The teachers can give the child support to keep going with a difficult task is complete.